In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stock on Robinhood after hours. If you've ever wanted to make a stock purchase outside the traditional market hours, then this guide will walk you through it step by step. Whether you're seeing opportunities right after a major event or simply prefer trading in the evening, understanding how to navigate after-hours trading can be a valuable skill for investors. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Robinhood offers 24/5 commission-free stock trading, which means you have more flexibility to trade at times that suit you best. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking it will prompt you to input your login credentials. Remember, keeping these details secure is essential, so never share them with anyone, and if possible, enable two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the Robinhood home screen. This is your dashboard, where you'll manage all your trading activities. From there, navigate to the Accounts section. You'll find this in the menu options, typically presented as an icon or under a drop-down menu. After selecting the Accounts section, choose Investing from the options provided. This area is designed to give you access to your financial tools and stock options. Now, it's time to search for the stock you are interested in. Use the search bar prominently displayed on the screen. Here, you can type in the name or symbol of the stock you're looking to buy. Robinhood's user-friendly interface will quickly present you with a list of potential matches or directly take you to the stock's page. When you've found your stock, click on it to go to its detail page. This page will give you all the necessary information about the stock, such as its current price, recent performance, and trends. Once you're sure this is the right stock for you, look for the Trade button. Clicking this will initiate the trading process. A window or sidebar should open, displaying options to either buy or sell. At this point, you'll want to set your order type. Since we're focusing on after-hours trading, you need to select the appropriate option that allows for trades outside regular hours. This might be labeled as extended hours or similar, ensuring your trade is queued and executed in the after-hours market. Finally, confirm your purchase by entering the number of shares you wish to buy and reviewing your order details. Always double-check the information, ensuring all numbers and settings meet your expectations. Once everything looks good, submit your order. With that, you've successfully navigated the process of buying stocks on Robinhood after hours. Remember to monitor your investments regularly and stay informed about market trends to make the most out of your trading experience. Happy investing!